Hello and welcome to this TPdoc onboarding video that covers the so-called localization functionality in TPdoc, allowing users to be more flexible in their local file preparation. Let's have a look. First, the local file groups page here allows users to decide which local files they wish to prepare and also which entities to group in these local files. This means that a local file can be prepared for an entity, per country, or on a hybrid basis, for example, per business line. In addition, here, users can set a preparation deadline for additional compliance management. After the local file groups are determined, users can, for each local file and also for each element therein, decide to follow the maybe more general or the more generic descriptions provided earlier in the intercompany model, more relating to the master file, or to go for maybe a more tailored approach and provide a more specific or elaborate description for the corresponding local file. The same reasoning applies for the functional analysis. For each local file, local functions, local risks, and local assets can be added or disabled depending on the role of the local entity included in the local file, of course. For example, if a German LRD included in the German local file next to its sales function performs an additional marketing function that the other LRDs don't perform, users can add specifically for the German local file a local marketing function. Okay. Well, the same so-called localization effort can be done for the financing section here, as well as for the document setup of the local file. That is, in short, how the localization in TPdoc allows for a more tailored approach regarding the local file preparation. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video again.